Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to another awesome update on Phoenix. It's your boy Ken Kyoko, aka Mr. Moneybags, in the building. So here we are on the login page. I'll just go ahead and log in with any of my profiles. Let's go to the flows. Last time we did not have CRUD functionality. Now we do. We can perform CRUD functionality. So as you can see here, we can edit, we can rename, we can share, we can duplicate, we can delete. So let me just say delete this thing. And now we've deleted that. I'm just going to delete several of them. Let me go with gang. If I open up gang, now as you can see, we have some upgrades. For example, let me just delete that. I select that. If I select a node, as you can see, we have a nice outline that shows it's selected. If I select away, it goes away. Now we have some brand new nodes. If I go here to the core nodes, as you can see here, we have several panels. If we expand this, we have the sensor node. If I drag and drop it here, now this is what we got. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Let me zoom in, control, then mouse wheel. We have several fields here. This sensor input allows you to accept data from an external sensor, maybe a stepper motor, servo motor, maybe a humidity sensor, maybe a proximity sensor, whatever device you're trying to read measurements from. And so you can select here whatever type of measurements you want to deal with. So this is a production grade, enterprise grade node. We're going to style this scroll bar to look like this scroll bar here. But this scroll bar here has the wrong color. It should look like this, should have this color theme. So I'm going to change that. But now we also have, this is the basic area where we set up some of the basic settings like the sampling mode, intervals. For example, you can set your intervals to be 2 seconds here. Then if we have any data running live, it's going to be appearing here. Now we can go to the connection tab here, and it's going to have where are you going to, what method are you going to use to receive your data. We have MQTT, we have HTTP, WebSocket, we have Modbus, custom driver. You can add your own custom driver. We have serial, Arduino, ESP32, whatever you want. And this is context aware, so it changes depending on what's active. MQTT changes to that. Now let's go to processing. Here we have other details here. Let's also move on to the artificial data node. This creates artificial data. Remember, this accepts data from an external source. Let's go to the connection protocol. These are methods to receive data from an external source. Now, going to this artificial data node, we can simulate data, artificial data within the system here, and create a system based on that simulated data. So you can have sine waves, we can have all these stepped, like a stepper motor, whatever you want to measure. Sawtooth, linear, vibration machine. We can go to the timing here. You can set the intervals. You can go to the quality here. You can set add noise if you want to add some noise to whatever your data you're measuring. Let's go to the this is the no, this is not the process node. This is the old entity node. Let me just delete that. We also have a filter node here. Let me just connect these nodes here so you can see how they look when connected. So we can connect that, and since these are data sources, the sensor input and artificial data node, these are data sources, so they don't accept anything, but they are the source of whatever is going to be accepted by these other nodes. So these two don't accept anything, but this one, because it processes data, it accepts data. Then that gives whatever it's got as the results to the next node. So now let's say we're giving it to this next node here, the filter node. So we can mix real sensor data and artificial data here to get some interesting results. So I can go ahead and hit Control S to save, and now we've saved that. If I open this up, yeah, it's saved successfully. If I hit Control K, we can bring up the command menu. This allows us to access different functions and documentation and even nodes. You can generate a node directly instead of dragging a node from here. Control K, you're going to be able to just insert a node from this menu, but I haven't added that functionality yet, but coming soon. We want to make this Pheenix a platform where you can come and build an entire backend for your front-end system. So anyway, that's where we've reached. I'm very glad we were able to get here. I'll keep you posted. Remember, I'll update you almost every day on where we are with this project. So till next time, have a nice one. Peace.